Hello and welcome to the Pea Auger's Shutoff Kit Installation Guide for MacDon or John Deere headers. Pea Auger Draper Upper Cross Augers are made by Combine World Manufacturing, part of Parts ASAP. Well, let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is just remove those hydraulic hoses coming from the Pea Auger motor. So you may need to use a wrench for these. Here we've just got them finger tight to show you. So you're going to take both of those off. And then this is where we're going to install the Pea Auger Shutoff Kit. So we're just going to tighten one onto one and the other onto the other. So let's show you a little bit more detail which ones those are. So the top one, that's the drive hose. That one is going to connect to what is the right-hand side of the shutoff kit when you're looking at it from the back of the header where it's hanging down. And then the bottom one, that's the drain. That's going to go to the left-hand side. So you can see here, that's how G2 has it. So if you have the switch to the top, that should line up perfectly like that. Now we'll want to reconnect the hoses that we had attached to the motor. So again, it's, the right-hand side is the drive line, so that goes to the cannabis motor drive line, which should be where it was before. And the return line will go into that 90-degree fixture that's the cannabis motor return line. If you want to see the full explanation of how all the hydraulic hoses with the Pea Auger hook up, look at the full installation videos for your Pea Auger model. Okay, so we get those all hooked up and tightened up. And that's essentially all there is to it. It's fairly straightforward. You can see here they're going from each side to each side, and that's it. We're ready to go. Simple operation. So all you need to know is that when you turn it so the handle's parallel to the hoses, that means that valve in the center there is closed and the auger is on. The flow will go through it and it'll run as normal. Now if you turn it so it's perpendicular, then that valve in the center is open, and so that will bypass the Pea Auger. It will continue to move slowly. It's not going to completely stop the flow. So make sure you continue to grease your Pea Auger just so that it doesn't seize, even from that slight movement it's going to do. And that's pretty much it. You just tie up your loose hoses and you're away. It works the same way on a John Deere Pea Auger we were showing you on a MacDon. The only difference is because there is a motor at either end on the John Deere Pea Auger, so you'll have to install two kits, one on each end for each motor. Other than that, exactly the same. Okay, great. Well, thanks for watching. Remember, you can see our website for installation manuals, any other accessories, and replacement parts you're looking for. If you are within your 1-year warranty, please talk to us first before you order a part. You will be covered. If you have any other questions for us, or if you are just watching this for information's sake, and you'd like to order a Pea Auger from MacDon or John Deere, please give us a call at 1-800-667-4515. All right, thank you so much.